Okay, we're gonna try and make this somewhat quick here, but we're gonna go over today's L, the fat L cock that we took here. So this looks good. All right, we'll get into it. So if you go on daily, ooh, daily we're in a downtrend. This is pretty obvious. Been in a downtrend for some time now. Looks like we're still pushing lower. Obviously, the weekly just broke to a downtrend as well. And if you go to, actually, we'll do the 1 hour first. 1 hour. 1 hour is in a very clean downtrend. And this is the only thing that's starting to look a little fishy, but I'm assuming this will probably turn back around and give us some points in the afternoon session. But that's our bias. Hourly, 15-minute, obviously downtrend. Well, it was certainly when we took this. Now 15-minute broke to the upside, but then leaves everything else. We entered off of a break of structure down here towards the bottom. Obviously we got a sell side break of structure, and I got a shitty fill on this one. Really not great fill. Yeah, so I was filled basically at the bottom of this candle. Came into like $120 of profit here. Tried to liquidate part of the position, but just didn't fucking work. I need to figure out how to do a partial close because that shit's kind of pissing me off. But yeah, maybe I'll just start dragging targets around. I don't know. But yeah, I was gonna partial close down here. Ended up buying a contract on GBP USD instead, so I just killed that and ended up not closing any of this. So it took the fucking full loss. Scaled 3 contracts out of the position around here, and ended up taking a $197 loss for a losing week. Not a huge losing week, but we are down on the week, which is unfortunate. But it's a probability game. This is weird. This is obviously going to go up. What could I have done better? Scaled the fuck out. Not risked so much. Because it's not only a Friday, but it's a Friday and this PA was kind of shit. I didn't like the way this looked. Obviously, we have so many highs to go after here. You know, I'm assuming it's probably going to push up and hit these highs. But, I mean, shit. Maybe I should use a little bit of my old strategy too. That's possible. You know, I know we don't like trend lines, but if we did a little trend line here, we could tell that according to that rule, this is going to go up to at least here, which would have stopped me out. So, I don't know. It's kind of a tricky one. Today was a little annoying, but I need to get back into the habit of doing these trade recaps. I've been very bad about it. But yeah, everything else was kind of shit. This wasn't even all that great, and I should have taken a little bit of profit to minimize the loss. I'm trying to figure out the ways to trade a little bit better, to trade a little bit smarter for my account size and whatnot. Obviously, today was a really shitty risk reward, and just not a great trade. I was gonna scale into it, so I'm glad I didn't do that. I sold 5 contracts, which is probably my minimum. But I'd have to have a really fucked up risk to reward if I were to do less than 5 contracts. But yeah, that's kind of what today was looking like. It's too bad to end the week on an L, but we'll see what next week has to offer, and go from there. But yeah, just think more. Start taking profit earlier. I don't know. Potentially work out more math to have more contracts, more more size. Maybe we go in with 10 contracts. And I mean, the only problem is if we get whipsawed with 10 contracts, we're fucked. But you know, if we did do 10 contracts, I could liquidate 5 of them down here. take some profits, and then maybe get stopped out or liquidate more. It's hard for me to liquidate the position down here because as soon as you start liquidating a contract on only 5 contracts size, it gets really sketchy really fast and you just start losing profit. But obviously today that didn't really matter. I also took a trade yesterday. Suppose we'll go over that one too. Took a trade yesterday. It was a long, barely. It's not even on here. Barely hit profit for like $80, which is jack shit. But missed out on the second trade that hit like every single take profit. So that was awesome. If I would have done that, I would have definitely been break even or in profit for the week, but I just got unlucky. I've been having kind of an unlucky streak lately, and it's not been the best. Been kind of frustrating. I need to probably just start figuring shit out. Sit down a little bit earlier. Put more of my own analysis into it as well. Whatever. We'll come back next week and I'll make trade recap videos probably every 2 days or so. Just to go over everything I've done. But yeah. That's it for now. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna go try to enjoy. This is a great day to work on taking a loss. Yep. Taking a loss. That's what we're gonna do today. So it's a beautiful day. Take it easy.